Meaning of Good Friday.
Good Friday.
Good Friday.
Good Friday.
Good Friday. Good Friday is a Christian holiday that commemorates the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. It is observed on the Friday preceding Easter Sunday and is part of Holy Week. The day is considered good because it represents the ultimate sacrifice made by Jesus, who gave his life to atone for the sins of humanity. Many Christians around the world observe the day with solemnity, fasting, and reflection on the deep spiritual significance of Christ's death. Good Friday is an important religious observance for Christians, and serves as a reminder of the central message of their faith.